Touch gloves. Y'all got 1 minute. I want to see some good hitting. Go. Okay. Look at that boy Josh. Well, we want from here to here, right?
Yeah.
The whole thing is 4. Oh. Oh. What's good, YouTube? It's Almond with the sauce, and in today's video we got episode 3 of our summer math challenges. This one right here, we're gonna have a sock and bopper challenge. And here's how it works. In between each round, y'all are gonna have 2 to 3 minutes to answer a math problem. If y'all get it wrong, we're gonna have to spin the punishment wheel. And whatever the punishment wheel lands on, that's how you gotta fight for the next round. And may the best boxer win. Joshua plus, you're doing good so far.
And then 4 times 8 is 32. Oh, that's
times -4 times -8. You know what a negative times a negative is?
Positive 32.
I don't know how to multiply. All right, y'all got 1 minute and 55 seconds left.
Got the answer. Makes sense. 7x. I can't do that.
Yeah, you can. You were doing it. You just stopped.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, remember the one we did during the smoothie challenge? Remember, you already said 4 times t was what? And then do the same thing with the 7. All right, 1 second left. That is time. 7x, that is incorrect. Jonathan, blank, that is incorrect. All right, you can glove up, Josh.
Both arms behind.
Oh, that's tough.
How am I supposed to box?
You can't.
Turn around and do this.
All right, y'all ready?
Round 1.
All right, 1 minute. Don't hit after the bell. Go. Ooh. Bro, get his face. Swing, boy.
1 foot, Joshy. Hiya!
Oh, oh, headshots, boy.
Josh, you're all supposed to be on 1 foot, not 2. Hiya!
Oh Lord, can we get this man some stamina? Time! Order them from least to greatest. Go.
Is that negative?
Yep.
Okay.
Josh, remember that thing in front of the 2/3 is a negative.
I know. I was gonna always come to that last.
From, you know, least means smallest and greatest means biggest, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you think a negative number is bigger than a positive number? Bet. You done? Jonathan, you done?
Yeah.
All right, spin that thing. What we got? What we got? What we got? Oh.
Round 2.
Touch gloves. I want a nice clean fight. No hitting after the bell. Y'all ready? Go. You can still swing. Josh, turn around and swing. 15 seconds. 1. Time. Adding fractions, subtracting fractions. You got a minute and a half, go. Boy, and his strategies. I'm not even mad at it. That's how you cut up your pizzas, bro? All right, Jonathan, you are correct. I be trying to make it even, bro. I really do.
I'm not gonna get it right.
All right, let me help you out then.
Oh, okay. 4/8.
All right, write it down. 4/8
What?
and 2/4 are the same thing.
No, I don't know how I solve it.
I'm saying 2/4 is the same thing as 4/8. That's why I drew those there.
I don't know how to solve the rest.
Okay, well, you have 4/8
4/8 plus
and 3/8.
4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8.
That is correct. Y'all both got it right. Good job. You know what this means.
No purple demon.
No purple demon, we in there swinging. All right, let's glove up.
Round 3.
All right, round 3. Touch gloves. 1 minute. Don't hit after the bell. Go. Oh.
Beat, there you go, beat, there you go, beat.
Stop running away.
Beat.
I wish you had a ring so bad. 30 seconds left. Get in there.
Oh my God, he on X Games mode.
All right, resume.
Beat.
Running away. – 15 seconds. Keep going. Time. Gloves down. Josh, what's the formula for volume?
Volume is length times width.
Nope.
Then I forgot the word.
Bro.
10. Okay, so 30.
Josh, you know what the volume is, right?
The volume is that.
Don't say that. What's the number, boy? Well, you see that 1 and 1/6?
Yeah.
You know how to turn that into an improper fraction?
Yeah.
Ooh, Josh coming with that heat. Okay. Look at that boy, Josh. Okay, what's your answer, Josh? What's the height?
The height is 60.
No, the volume is 60. I don't want the volume, I want the height. You got the answer, but you don't understand what you got. What is the height?
The height?
Yep, the height is just one number. That's it. That's it. Very good. Very good. Jonathan, 63 over 210. That is correct.
Yay.
That is correct.
Round 4.
All right, round 4. Touch gloves on a nice clean fight. Knock each other out. Go.
Yay.
Oh, there we go. Oh, swing and a miss. Oh, hooks, yes. That's what I like to see. Oh, swing, Josh. Oh. Turn around and hit. Turn around and swing, boy. Around and swing. There you go. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Ooh. Oh. All right, that's time. The bottom part that goes, you know, on the ground is the base. The height, how tall the triangle is when it stands perpendicularly from the ground. I'm gonna put H. 1/2 times the base times the height, or the base times the height divided by 2. Either way is correct.
Why is mine so much harder?
A squared plus B squared equals C squared. You know what squared means, right? This boy love drawing circles. Okay, what is B?
4.
Very good. B is 4.
And then 5 times the C is 25 because it's 5 times 5.
Mm-hmm.
I did 25 minus 9.
Okay.
And then I knew that 4 times 4 was 16 because of the
Squared.
Squared.
Okay, I feel you. You know this whole thing, right? From T to M is what? You just said it.
It's 4.
Right. So from here to here to here. So this triangle right here is what you're trying to find the area of.
Or this tiny triangle?
Nope, the other one.
I am this one?
Mm-hmm. It's the same height, which is what?
3.
Right. So we know the height. What about the base? Do we know the base?
4.
Right.
So 1/2.
So you have everything you need.
So it's 4 minus that.
All right, y'all got 30 seconds.
It's 2.5.
Okay.
And then times 3.
Okay, now Josh, your area should have been 1/2 of the base, which is 9, times 6, which is 54 inches squared. That is correct.
Yay!
You had to do a little bit of Pythagorean theorem. Your final answer should have been, according to my calculations, 3.75 feet squared. Is that what you got?
Yep.
It is, very good. Correct.
I just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 2.
You drew 18 and then you took it in half.
So you divide.
Okay,
Split into 2.
okay.
Then you times it by 6.
Yes.
Very good, that's correct.
Final round.
All right, touch gloves. Y'all got 1 minute. I want to see some good hitting. Go. Oh. 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 Perfect. Don't turn around, Josh. Get some hits in. Make sure you block. There you go. Swing, boy. Josh with a right hook to the body. Jonathan with the left uppercut. Swing, Josh. There we go. Oh, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, go crazy. Don't swing with your fist. Time.
Game over.
All right, that's gonna wrap it up for episode 3. I want y'all to comment below and let me know who y'all think won, Jonathan or my man Joshua right here. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in episode 4. Peace. Boy, give me one of them things. Do we have battery left?
Is that him, King?
Beep.
Go. Where's it at? Oh my goodness, how you lose the glove? Boy.